Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Basic Tutorials Special and Visual Effects. Today I'm going to teach you how to animate Instagram using Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's get straight into the tutorial. So I have my Instagram template here that I screenshotted from my phone and just edited to suit this purpose, and I have my video here that I also cropped and resized to fit the frame. So I'm just going to line it up here, and I have my right, and I have my animation set to play. So let's just see how it looks. Hello everyone, welcome. Alright, so what I'm going to do, the first thing I'm going to do is create the heart animation where you like a video or a picture. So I'll just select a heart and I'll just draw it over here, and of course I shall just choose a red. Now that heart doesn't line up with the heart, it doesn't have the same kind of shape, so I'm just going to right click on this and I'll click edit points, and this is where I adjust the heart to suit so that it's a perfect heart, a perfect Instagram heart. Oops. That could more or less work. So I'll just zoom back out. So I have my heart there, and I'll just duplicate it and add another heart in the center of the video here, and I'll just make it bigger. Right, and this heart will be white, of course, as the Instagram heart is. Right, so what I'm going to add is a zoom animation for this heart. So I'll click on zoom, and of course that will be with previous, and I'll also add a zoom out animation. So it's a zoom in and zoom out animation, and that will obviously go with previous and after the first one. Hello everyone. Now of course, as the video playing, I will just give it a little 150 delay. Right, now that looks good. I shall just put it at 25, oops, 0.25, sorry. And let's see. There we go, and this will also have an animation that I will use. It is the shape animation, and that will go out, and of course that will go with previous, and at a delete at and I'll just put this here with that one. animation. And that is the basics of the animation. And of course, that is very simple. So I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, please leave a comment, check out our other videos, and of course subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys in another video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like this video, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and I will see you guys in another video.